moment of truth. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curlisa91, and if this is your first time, welcome to Curls and Inspiration. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I hope you find something on my channel that's helpful and will help you in your hair journey. So we're continuing our Heatless Curls series, and I think I'm actually going to extend it one more video after this one. But for this video, we're going to use, I'll say, the second cheapest product to actually get heatless curls, and I'll reveal that to you coming up, so stay tuned. So this product, or this tool, is the second cheapest tool that I've used in my Heatless Curls series. So the cheapest tool that I used was my hands, and I'll put a video for that somewhere up here. But the second cheapest tool is actually sitting in your closet, and it's a t-shirt. A t-shirt. If you have a t-shirt, then you can do rag curls. So I used a t-shirt, and I just cut out like strings from the t-shirt, and that's what I'm gonna use for the rag curls today. Y'all, this better come out great. I got the idea from Vivian from Viv TV. I'll put her name, her link to the channel down there in the description. But y'all, it came out good on her, but I don't know how this is gonna look on me. So let's see how. May the Lord be with us on this journey. Let's just get into the video. Let's just get into it, man. We're going to go ahead and like moisturize my hair. Y'all know we need to do that. And so the products I'm using today will be from Palmolive Cocoa Butter. And so we'll be using the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Cream Styler. Their leave-in conditioner. And, you know, for the scalp, we're gonna use the Shine Glaze Serum. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bad boy out. And my hair has been washed. It smells so good. And dried. So I'm gonna need a little bit of water. So I'm gonna need a little bit of water, but I don't have any, so I'll be right back. All right, so we have our water. Now, I don't wanna wet or saturate my hair with water. I just want enough water in there so I can get the styling products to get in my hair a little better. So just lightly with some water, guys, not too much. And that's why I'm using the mist, because it doesn't completely drench your hair in water. So this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back to show you what that tool looks like. So here's my concern. Here's my real concern. This is cloth, and I feel like it's going to dry the moisture out of my hair. And then I also feel like my hair is a little too wet and it's not gonna dry properly. But you know what? We're just gonna go with it, okay? All right, so let me section up my hair. It seems like they worked with big sections, so I'm gonna see if that works. So the technique is to pin the rag to the top of your head, and then wrap your hair and inward, so like this way, away from your face, and then wrap your hair around the rag. All right, so that's what your girl is gonna do. All right, then the next step is when you get to the bottom of the strand, the next step is to take this part and bring it back up around your hair. Y'all, I don't know. Alright, this is not too bad. And then use the top and tight. We gonna tie this. And I have my first rag curl. Y'all, this better turn out good. I am so nervous about this. I don't even. Anyways, so we have our first rag curl, and I'm just going to continue doing that throughout my hair, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Y'all, here's 2 tips that I actually have for you guys. When you're putting this in your hair, make sure that you bring your hair away from your head, right? And then once you've gotten the hair down the strand and around the rag or the strip of shirt, so now that I have the hair all the way down the strip, you want to take the ends. When you wrap the ends around, you want to make sure that it's counter to the way you went around the first time, or else it will not be tight, okay? And it will unravel. So I went this way, so now I'm going to go counter to that. All right, so and then that's it. Okay, see, nice and tight. Okay, y'all, so I'm done putting this in. I have about 19 strips of shirt or rags in my hair right now, and we're just gonna see how long this is gonna take to dry. So I'll see y'all once I think it's dry. But I've had this in for 2 days, so if it ain't dry, it gonna never be dry, okay? Moment of truth. Let's see how these babies look. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. Do y'all see this? Oh my god. It looks so good. Okay. Compose yourself, compose yourself. Okay. Y'all. I know I'm not the only one. Look, 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 look. Look. Y'all, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm just, let's do the rest. Let's take out the rest. I'm freaking out. Whoosa. I know you see this. Like, this one looks more like a rod, and this one looks more like a spiral. And I think that might have something to do with how much hair is in its section, and two, how you lay them. So this one, I laid it and there was like spacing in between the coil, or the way I wrapped it around the rag. But this one, there wasn't much spacing, so it came out much more like a coil, and in the bottom there was more spacing, so you can see the spiral look. But let's separate it. But y'all, you know, Pastor Michael Todd says, all you have is all you need. If y'all say y'all need to buy a $20 hair tool set to get you some good curls, is a lie. You a lie. Look, you get you your t-shirt, or you use your hands, and you don't have to spend no money, and you can get bomb results. Look, sis, look. All right, okay. So, as I do in every single video, or at the end of every single video, I come through and I try to tell you what the pros and cons about the tool and the products. Your cocoa butter products are moisturizing. Granted, they smell like cocoa butter. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with the smell of cocoa butter, so that's up to you. So it definitely does smell like cocoa butter, but moisturizing. The creamer, so good. The oil, however, does not smell like cocoa butter, but it smells sweet. It smells good, and it's very nice and moisturizing. It give my curls some nice shine. Okay, so about the tool. So as you can see, results are bomb, sis, bomb. It's cheap. You got it in your closet. And then the next thing is, make sure that you put enough moisturizer in there, because my hair is not dry, as in like it doesn't feel like it doesn't have moisturizer, but you need a good moisturizer to make sure that it comes out looking, you know, it's not too dry when it comes out. But y'all, tell me what y'all think about this result. I am so here for it. And of course the ends are a little rough, but sis, do you see this? Do you see this? Okay guys, I'm sorry, I'm just really excited about this, but I'm extending my series one more video, just one more. Hold out with me one more time, and I'll be using another tool / technique for heatless curl style, and hopefully it will come out good. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.